After about 1 year of hard work, I'm happy to announce that I'm finally done with my Unreal Engine JRPG Masterclass course, having delivered all 16 chapters and 37 hours of video footage. One thing I've been keeping a secret is that I actually spent the past few months drawing sprites for 4 additional party members, which students now also get access to. And while it's not directly covered in the course, you can actually expand all systems to work with 8 characters as well within less than an hour. To celebrate the 1.0 launch, the course is currently on sale, and this is your chance to save $172 by getting the early access price and an additional 30% off before the price increases on Friday midnight Eastern Time. In addition, I'm also throwing in my top-down course and the 2D templates bundle with 4 different Unreal Engine 5 templates as a free bonus. So make sure to check out the link in the description. And yeah, by the way, I'm really sick, so that's why my voice sounds like this, but I have to make this video today. So what is covered in the new chapters of the course? While the core module that launched in December last year covered all of the fundamentals like setting up the top-down field phase, the turn-based battle system with regular attacks and skills, random encounters, the basics of how to create user interfaces, and much more, the refinement module goes into more advanced topics like how to set up an inventory system, how to gain items from a treasure chest, and how to use items like potions during battle, how to set up an XP system and allow your characters to level up to unlock new skills, an advanced save and load system with multiple save slots, and UI which looks at your party's data and has multiple prompts your players can interact with. A dialogue system that allows you to talk to NPCs and also recruit new party members to join your team, implementing sound effects and music in your game, and also how to set up cutscenes using Sequencer. And lastly, how to fix the inherent issues with Unreal Engine's UI system by using a free and open source plugin called UI Navigation 3.0, which allows you to navigate all menus with a mouse, keyboard, and a gamepad all at once. Figuring out all of these things and how to make everything flow nicely for the course did take me an insane amount of time, which is why I've been working on this for roughly 1 year now. And you can save yourself hundreds of hours of suffering by just going through my course and learning these lessons in a streamlined manner. So again, if you're interested, check out the link in the description because the sale is going to end this Friday. And now that the course is completed, what is next for Cobra Code? Well, like always, after ending such a big project, I do feel kind of lost because the JRPG Masterclass was pretty much all I could think about for the last year. And I think some of you are kind of sick of hearing about it all the time, so sorry about that, but I'm just super excited about this, and this is the best thing I ever made. But yeah, there's a lot of other cool things that I want to dive into, like making new samples, making new templates, and all these kind of things. I'm also going to finally take a bit of a break for the next 2 weeks since I actually did not take a break during Christmas like I should have. And YouTube videos will keep on coming, and there are many videos in the pipeline that I'm excited to show you. And I think instead of just jumping onto making the next course right away, I want to take a bit of a step back, think about the big picture, and just make a couple of smaller projects that don't take a year or multiple months. But yeah, anyway, as always, a huge thanks to all the support, and see you in the next video.